In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a private story on Snapchat. So let's get started right away because this is actually super easy to do. All you have to do is just take a snap and then click on the send button, and then right here where it says my story, you want to click on new story right there. And here you can create a private story where only you can post, as you can see right there. And all you have to do is click on it, and you want to add the people that can view your that you want to them to be able to view your story. So all you have to do is just add them like this, click on create story, then they will have to then they're asking for a name, so let's say something like this, then click on done. And now if under the story, if you click on show more, you can see all your private stories like this. So yeah, all you have to do now is just send it like this, and they're both gonna be added to that story, because I have two private stories, but yeah, if you only have one, only one, of course. So that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.